everyone, how are you today? I hope all of you be fine. We will complete the Primary 3 Math first term. All of you focus with me, okay? We have two lessons, lesson 5 and lesson 6, from 5 to 7, about measuring lenses, okay? We use what to measure the length of any object? We use centimeter or meter, okay? Centimeter and meter. So we have two units for measuring lenses. At first, we have 3 units of measuring lenses, not two only, not centimeter and meter only. We have millimeter, okay? But our lesson is about centimeter and meter only. In the next lesson, we will take millimeter, okay? So we have 3 units of measuring lenses. Number 1, centimeter, or we write cm, okay? Denoted as cm. Number 2, meter, and denoted as m only. And number 3, millimeter, and denoted as mm. Again, we have how many units of measuring length? Who can say? Excellent, 3 units, okay? Centimeter, and denoted as cm, meter, and denoted as m, and millimeter, and denoted as mm, okay? But our lesson is about centimeter and meter only, 2 units. Number 1, centimeter or cm. What is the meaning of centimeter? Centimeter, a small unit of measuring length, okay? Centimeter is a small unit of measuring length and used to measure the length of small objects, okay? Used to measure the length of small objects. Like what? Like the length of pencil, the length of pen, the length of book, the length of rubber, the length of your pencil case, and so on. We use what? Centimeter, okay? Again, centimeter, or denoted by cm, we can write cm, is a small unit of measuring length. A small unit of measuring length, and used to measure the length of small objects. Like what? Pen, pencil, book, erasers, and so on. Do you understand it well? Okay. After centimeter, we have meter. Meter, or we denoted it by m. We write m, meaning meter. Meter is used to measure distance and longer lenses. Okay, we use meter to measure distance, a big distance, and longer lenses. Like what? Like the length of your bus, the length of your building, okay, the length of the house, the length of Agial school. We use what? Meter. So meter is used to measure distance and longer lenses, okay, and longer lenses. Okay, what is the relation between them? What is the relation between meter and centimeter? 1 meter equal 100 centimeters. Say with me, 1 meter equal 100 centimeters. You must keep it well. Again, 1 meter equal 100 centimeters. 1 meter equal 100 centimeters. So 2 meter equal what? Super, 200 centimeters. 3 meters, excellent, 300 centimeters. We put 2 zeros, okay? Do you understand what is the relation between meter and centimeter? So which one is bigger? Excellent, meter. 1 only meter equal 100 centimeter. So meter is used to measure distance and longer lenses, but centimeter is a small unit and used to find the length of small objects as pencils, books, and so on. Okay, if you understand, try to solve it with me. Look at this image, blue, and then complete the table. Okay, we will complete by meters or centimeters. At first, this tree, we use what to find the length of it? Meter or centimeter? Excellent, we use meters because it's very, very tall. So we use meters. Okay, this fig, we use what to find the length of it? Excellent. Centimeter, all right, cm. Why? Because it's very small. Okay, this building, we use what? Meter or centimeter to find the length of it? Super, we use meter because it's very long. Okay, and the last one, insect. This an insect. We use what to find the length of it? Super, centimeter, cm. Do you understand it well? Okay, we will complete. Okay, after it, how we can use a ruler to measure the length of an object, like a pencil. How we can use ruler? Do you have ruler? Okay. How we can use it to find the length of pencil, the length of book by centimeter? We have two steps. Number one, put one end, okay, put one end of the pencil with the 0 mark on the ruler. Okay, put one of the end of the pencil at 0 mark on the ruler. Number two, find the centimeter mark at the other end of the pencil. Find centimeter mark at the other end of the pencil. So again, put one of the end of this pencil with the 0 mark. We must start by 0 in here at one end, and look at here to find this, the length of this pencil equal how many centimeter? So the length of this pencil equal what? Who can say? Excellent, 10 centimeter. But we must start by 0. Put one of the end at 0 mark and find centimeter mark in the other end of the pencil. Do you understand how to find the length of any object? Okay, you can find the length of your rubber, the sharpener. You can find the length of your desk by centimeter. Put 0, okay, at one end and find the centimeter mark at the other end. Okay, in here complete. Who can find the length of this line, the first line? Okay, put 0 at one end and look at here to find this end by what? Super, 8 centimeters. Okay, number 2, who can solve it with me? Okay, you solve. Okay, in here we start by what? Super, 0, and find the mark on the other end of this line. Equal how many centimeters? Super, 6 centimeters. Okay, number 3, this line start by what? Super, start by 0 at one end. So the other end by what? Super, 10 centimeters. Okay, all of it we start by 0 and try to find the mark of the other end of the line. Okay, number 4, super, start by 0 in here and ended by what? Yes, great, 12. The last one, who can find the length of it? Yes, yes, great, 5 centimeters. Why? Because this mark equal 5 when we start by 0. Is this easy? You can find now the length of any object with you? Okay. We can estimation the length without measuring it by ruler. Okay, we can estimation. We can say this length is about what? Without use ruler to measure it. Like what? If we don't have ruler and I ask you, what is the length of this book? You say the length of book is about, okay, is about 10 centimeter. About 10 equal 9 equal 11, but it's about 10 centimeter. You understand what's the meaning of about? Okay, about 10, maybe equal 9 centimeter, maybe equal 11 or 12. Okay. If I ask you, the length of this pencil is about how many centimeter? Who can say? Yes, okay, 6, 5, 4. So it's about 5 centimeter. You understand what is the meaning of estimation? Estimation meaning I try to find the length of object without use ruler. Okay. Okay, in here, choose the estimated length. Who can choose with me the estimated length? About what? Number 1, the width of the road. Okay. is the width of the roll is how many meters? Who can say? Is about how many meters? Without use ruler or use meter to find the length of it. Is about 1 meter only, or 6 meters, or 600 meters? Excellent. It's about 6 meters. Okay, you can walk on it, and the car is about 6 meters, not 1 meters, and not 600 meters. It's very big. Okay, number 2, the length of my father's car. The length of your father's car is about how many meters? 2 meters, or 9 meters, or 500 meters? Yes, super. It's 2 only meters. Okay, but bus may be 9 meters. Okay, the last one, the length of my book is about how many centimeter? 10 centimeter, or 1 only centimeter, very small, or 900 centimeter? Excellent, is about 10 centimeters. Do you understand? This lesson is very, very easy, meter and centimeter, and you understand when we can use meter to find the length of longer and distance as building, as bus, and we can use centimeter, small unit of measuring length, and we use it to find the length of small objects like pencil, like pen, like pencil case, and so on. And you know the relation between them? 1 meter equal how many centimeter? Super, 100 centimeters. Thank you for listening, and goodbye.